Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to search ChatGPT Library. So, if you're looking for images, documents, or other items you've saved in your ChatGPT library, here's how to search it. So, open ChatGPT and sign in to your account. So, you should see the library option in here. Just click on that. Now, once you're here, click the search box at the top of the library. So, right here, click on that. Then type a keyword related to the image, document, or file you're looking for. For example, I'm going to type in bar since I remember I asked for a suggestion about bar counter design, something like that. So I searched for bar, and here are the images ChatGPT generated. You can click this box right here to select the image. Then once selected, you can click download or you can click delete. You can also select multiple images at once, then click download if you want to download them, or delete if you want to delete them. So, search using words from the title or prompt you use to create the item. You can try different keywords if you don't find it on the first search. If your library has filters such as images or documents, use them to narrow the results. So, you can select this three lines right here to filter the search. Now, if you don't see a search bar, make sure you're using the latest version of ChatGPT app or refresh the web page as features may roll out gradually. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.